Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to budget for next month in YNAB. So you want to open up your app, and once you open up your app, let's say you know some things you have to pay or some money that's coming in, you basically want to click on transactions, and let's say it's something you have to pay $50. Choose the category that something is in. Let's say you have, I don't know, a personal care type of whatever you do that, and then on the date you just select it in the future. So let's say you have that in October 3rd, and you can enter an ammo here, and then you click on save. Now as you can see, it's not visible here at the moment, but if you go to the accounts, then you go to all transactions, you see scheduled here, we have the personal care. So now you know what you can expect in the future. Same goes for salary. Click on the plus transaction, inflow, and let's say you're going to get $60. And then you want to assign it to your inflow because that will be money ready to be assigned. Of course, date, let's say that comes on the 2nd. And now as you can see, the ready to assign inflow is here already. And that's basically how you budget for the next month. You just add all of your expenses or incomes, and then when the time comes, the app will automatically add the money to it, or you can do it manually, whatever you prefer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.